Sit up. Almost stole me. Sit up.
Damn, 3 starter wagon.
Sit up. Stole me, man. You got dark. You showed me my stomach. Yeah, you got that dark in you. You showed me my stomach, bro. You said to sit down all the time. Oh, you showed me my muscle. Listen, things don't back up. I'm gonna get you for interfering. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm not doing
you
that.
Are. Plus,
I'm
you're
not
smoking
doing
by
that.
a gas pump. You gonna throw it down, really? Pull up. Give me your ID. I'm gonna write you for littering.
No, I'm not.
Give me your ID.
You just said not to
Give me your ID.
Not.
Give me your ID.
You
You're
just
littering.
said not to smoke by a gas pump.
Yeah.
He just threw a cigarette down by a gas pump.
Okay, so you said not to smoke
Yeah.
by it, so what
So he
the fuck
throws
you
it
supposed
down.
to do?
You
You
put it
just
out.
shot him. You just shot him for no reason. He's in handcuffs.
I didn't do
He's
anything.
Well,
you just shot him
your
twice. He's in
friend
didn't do
handcuffs.
anything.
He's in handcuffs. What's your name?
I didn't do anything.
What's your name?
Don't worry about me.
What's your name?
What's your badge ID then?
Give me your ID too.
I don't care.
What's your name?
Here, I'll give you my card. I'll do one better.
Okay,
Then good.
There you go. How's that?
that's
Shit,
fine.
you
Is that
said not
fair?
to smoke by a gas pump. What the fuck are we supposed to do then?
Well, you got to be smarter than that. You don't throw a lit cigarette by a gas pump.
No.
All right, you put it out.
Once he
You
got
don't
shot,
throw it down.
Once he got shot, I started recording. He did get shot, bitch.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, he did get shot. Yeah. Man, you better get off my
Yeah,
shit.
you
I'll
better
swear.
back up.
Hey,
Oh,
you
hey,
ain't gonna do
somebody
shit either.
here.
Oh, you ain't gonna do shit either. I'll knock your bitch ass out, bitch.